Alrighty guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Zombie. Today, I'm very excited. This just came in a day early that I got from Best Buy. This is going to be the Viture Pro XR glasses. Let's get started. Alright, doesn't look too damaged. My UPS guy is awesome. He's quite the guy, always leaves a treat for my Pyrenees. Alright, as you can see, Pro. Alright, I think it's just gonna slide through here. Oh no, look, there's a pull tab. That's really cool. Ho ho! Got a cool little plastic film over the front there. Oh, that's really cool. I like those little 3D action there. All right, we'll go ahead and pull that guy off. Let's adjust here a little bit. And it does look a little bit damaged in the corner there. And I'm going to say that's probably not due to my shipper. That's probably going to be Best Buy themselves. All right. Looks like we go ahead and just pull these apart. So let's just go ahead and slice that guy open a little bit. Just enough to pull her apart. Oh, wow. Oh, that's cool. All right, so it gives you a little bit of instructions here. Before I take it out, let's go ahead and read these. It's going to tell us try nose pad sizes 1, 2, and 3. Oh, and 4. Or no nose pads at all to find the best fit. Number 2 here, XR glasses are compatible with all USB-C display port devices and support refresh rates up to 120 Hz. Once connected, select a refresh rate in the display settings. And then number 3 here, we've got adjust the rotary knobs clockwise up to -5.0 D above each lens until the image is clear. Number 4 here, looks like it's telling you the photochromatics, the brightness, the volume, all that. Very cool. Go ahead and check these guys out. Wow, that's a nice case. Very stiff still, so obviously very new. Wow. These are awesome looking. A little heavier than I thought they were going to be. It's okay. Looks like there's going to be a cable up here. For cable storage. And there's the cable there. That's awesome. All right, so let's see what the cable looks like. Make it simpler than I think. Alrighty, and there's that magnetic clip for the glasses there. I don't like to tear things apart, so I always look for like a seam of some sort. But this one doesn't seem to have one. Go ahead and tear that off. See how long it is. I would say a little over 3 feet, maybe 3.5 feet. It's going to be USB Type-C. And let's just pick up the glasses here. And let's just clip it on just to see. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, it's a strong magnet. Awesome, that's very good news. All right, let's put these back real quick. And let's see what else is in the box here. Looks like anti-clip hair cover and some nose pads. Oh, of course, I'm an idiot and opened them upside down. All right. Looks like that one is for no nose pads or just an extra nose pad. Ah, I see. This is going to be the hair thing. That's actually really smart. Cool, cool. Let's see if anything else is in the box here. Nope. Looks pretty sealed. All right. So I'll throw a lot of the extras back in. Ah, there's the other clip. And let's go ahead and throw this back inside here. We will eventually get into those. But let's put those back in here for now. Close that back up. And let's check out these glasses. All right. Right off the bat, they feel very sturdy. And the lenses look very tilted, which is probably why they call it a prism. The hinges don't move at all. They are pretty sturdy though. It looks like right here we've got our buttons. We've got up and down, and then no buttons on this side, which means everything's going to be interfaced through here. And then you've got your speakers here, another one up here. And yeah, that's that, guys. All right, wait for my full review. If I haven't done it already, if I have, I will leave a link in the description down there. But for now, thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.